Every video editor dreams of creating stunning animations, but what if you could do it in just 5 minutes? Let's make it happen. Download all the project materials from the link in the description and follow along step by step. Simple, fast, and professional.
All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole my soul?
If this video gets a good response, I'll create more detailed tutorials, around 20 to 30 minutes long, with a real Hindi human voiceover, not AI. So make sure to like this video and comment human voiceover below.